So one of the A side participant, they have to change the paper. ಒಬ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪೇಪರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದನ್ನ ಅವ್ರು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. You until wait. You can change whatever you can, except eating. You can crush or tear anything. You can tear also. You can take small piece. One you can tear from one of the small. Show it. What is the difference between first and second? Change in size. Or mata? Change in shape. Change in shape. Okay. What it doesn't change? What it doesn't change? Em change agilla ಅಂದ್ರೆ ready ರೋ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಕಲರ್. ಮತ್ತ what it doesn't change in the paper? What it doesn't change in the paper? ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ ನೋಡು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇದ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಇದಲ್ಲ, okay, what is last the green last but one bench. What is the difference between first and second experiment? What is the difference between first and second? What are the changes occur both sides? Okay, what you did you can explain her. What you did you can explain her. She will tell. ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
I took one piece of paper and crushed it, and the physical changes happened, and the components.
Just what you did, only tell. She will answer afterwards. What she asked you.
I teared it into two pieces.
Okay. What is the change between them, before and after? Hello. What is the difference between before? First, the paper is in this shape. Okay, size and shape. Compared to second experiment, what is the change? You ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳು.
I took a paper and
She telling ಕೇಳ.
I took a paper and I burnt it.
She taken one small piece of paper and burnt it. After burning, what you observed? Okay, you can see now. Next bench. You can. Second experiment, not one. Second one.
It changes into new substance.
Which are the new substance?
It changes from paper to
Small ash. Next. Okay, sir. New heading. Second bench. Okay. What is the change between first and second paper?
In the first paper, there is a physical change. Second, there is a chemical change with the oxygen.
The oxygen. Okay. Chill on. Okay, clap both of them.